What's up, guys? So this video is a little late. I've been non-stop recording. I'm literally like 3 videos, I think 4 videos backed up, but I'm gonna try to like post non-stop until I get to the point, till it comes to the present day. So yeah, that's the plan. Me and a friend of mine are already setting up the merchandise website, so it'll probably be launched next week. So yeah, guys, today is Tuesday, so yeah, probably I'm gonna try to do Monday. So hopefully we try to get it done by Monday next week. But if something happens, I'll let you guys know, but I am trying to launch it next week. So you can enter for the giveaway of the C10. And yeah, go on my Instagram, catch up with me on things that I'm planning to do on my stories, and you'll see what's going on in my present day. So hope you guys like the video. Wait, you don't like trucks? But you like that one or what?
That was cute, yeah, that was good.
Alright.
Gracias.
Alright, gracias. Alright. So this truck has been getting nothing but attention. This truck has been getting attention non-stop ever since I've been cruising it. I don't really cruise it that much because I usually just cruise it when I need to take it somewhere. But every time I cruise it, I get nothing but thumbs ups and props and everything. We're on our way to the setup so we can get this set up on the C-notch. Honestly, I don't even feel like it's a need for it. I haven't felt any problems whatsoever. What?
What year is your truck?
Oh, it's a 85? Thanks. It's all the AC I need. The last guy that said what's up, like give me the thumbs up, was a guy in a G35. That was pretty cool. I had so many people already saying what's up, give me the thumbs up and all that. So let's see what's going on. Alright guys, so I know I've been saying it so many times and I changed my mind a lot, but the reason why I do is because I start overthinking what's best for the truck. Now is the time to think what's best for the truck. So I said I wanted a C-notch, but honestly I haven't felt anything. Like, it's perfect. It doesn't give me any problems. So we're gonna be driving it. We're gonna go to the gas station real quick because the 454 ate up my half a tank.
What is a 454?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Nah, the badges are on there for a reason.
Yeah. You got space. I mean, is someone really gonna be putting something in the bed and towing it around? I doubt it.
Whoever gets this truck is one of those trucks you want to respect.
Yeah.
Like having people in the back, I mean, you would, but at the end of the day, you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
So be careful with it. Honestly, the C-notch, I didn't want to C-notch it because it's gonna weaken the frame, you think, because it's an open frame.
Yeah. I mean, we've done hundreds of these. So
yeah.
we've never had one break or nothing. It's just a C channel. Basically, like on the what is it, those 7-Ups, they're boxed in.
Yeah.
And that's fine, you can do it like that, but these are C-channel. Unless someone crashes into you, you're gonna break it. But I said we test drive it with 2 people in it. Have you test drive it with 2 people in it already?
No.
Yeah, test drive it with 2 people. I'm a little hefty, so
screw it.
Yeah, we'll go through some little dips right here and see if it bottoms out or anything.
All right, well, let's go, guys.
If it does, we'll notch it.
We'll notch it?
We'll
Yeah,
cut it.
All
you want to drive or you want me to drive?
No, you drive it. You got it, man. You got it.
It'll tell you a lot more, you know?
Yeah.
Nice no rearview mirror.
That's what I like about it. Like, it doesn't have it. I'm gonna buy one just in case, though. If whoever wins it, you can put it on if you want. But
it have a rearview mirror or a side view mirror?
It has one right there. Oh yeah, yeah. I don't know. I like it.
Yeah, it gives it a real clean look instead of having that big old mirror.
Yeah, that's what I like about it. Yeah. We're hitting some bumps right now.
See, like right there, it ain't hit nothing. Usually when something needs a C-notch, we go through there.
Yeah.
It'll automatically need a C-notch right off the back. It feels good. It feels pretty sturdy. But
that's one problem that we gotta fix.
The rubbing on the fender.
Yeah,
this is where you'll find out right off the back if you need a knot. There's a couple of dips right here.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
You'll feel it. So like that one. If you needed a notch right off the back, you would have been able to feel it right there. See right there? This is where I bring everything.
Yeah.
And then one up here.
You didn't feel it? Nothing.
It didn't bottom up. See, like right there?
Nada.
Nah. It feels good. It's actually like
pretty sturdy.
Yeah, it's sturdy. I'm surprised. These trucks are usually just bouncing everywhere.
Yeah, no, what drop did I get from you again?
It's a 4.6. You got spindle springs in right here. Look.
Nada, I told you. Nothing.
I wouldn't see notch it.
At least leave it classy, you know, like the way it came from
You're
the
not
factory.
cutting the frame or nothing.
Yeah, there was a little cutting yesterday, but you know, it just gotta do what it do to make it look the way you want it.
That's understandable. You're pushing. I think that's a 22 by 11 or 10 and a half, right in the back.
What?
The wheel, the width. It's a 10 and a half or an 11. It's a wide wheel. I mean, it's understandable. You're gonna have to trim something, especially in the front. These wheels, they have a real low offset in the back, so it pops out the front wheel a lot. Yeah, it's not meant for a super low truck. The front ones are a little bit more thinner than the back ones. The back ones are a little thicker. I believe these are 22 by 9s in the front, and the back is like 22 by 10 and a half.
It's been a while. I'm not gonna lie.
That's a nice RT.
Damn, I'm sweating my ass off right now.
That window doesn't work?
No, I gotta fix this one too.
Open the little side one.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Chevy, when something happens, they got your back.
There you go.
They figure out ways. Go to Chevron. Nah, nothing, right? It's perfect. It's like the really nice cruiser.
Yeah. These trucks, man, I mean, that's why before they invented like any kind of like arms or coilovers and all that, everybody was using spindles and springs, and I mean, you can feel it. I mean, it feels stock.
Yeah.
It feels stock. The only thing that it feels a little, I don't want to say sturdier. It's more like, this side or that side?
This side.
Yeah, it's like how can I say? It's not bouncing around everywhere.
Nothing. It feels sturdy. Like it doesn't feel like it gives it anything.
Yeah, exactly. It feels like a stock truck.
Yeah. I guess the money that I was gonna invest in this, I guess we're gonna put some exhaust on this thing. What do you think the exhaust?
Not even the exhaust sounds good.
It's perfect, I know, but
like, nice.
But it is rusty a little bit. I want to clean her up a little bit. Yeah, look at that truck. He was giving us the thumbs up. He's cool. See, like I've been getting nothing but compliments coming over here. When people with Z06 Corvettes, G35s, dailies and stuff, I've been getting nothing but comments. Nothing but comments.
Yeah, I mean, it's a real nice truck. And this doesn't scream America more than anything else. I mean,
it does, right? The GNC, it kind of gives it that aggressive, classy look. That's what I love about them.
I like it because this matches that with the trim, and then the front grille that you put on there.
Yeah, and it's red, so.
Yeah, try to keep it classy, you know?
Yeah.
You start adding red here and there, it's like you're trying to look like everybody else.
Yeah, I want this truck to look different from everybody else's styles. They're gonna pump gas now.
Dude, that's pretty cool. Everywhere you go, everybody's complimenting on it.
Yeah, I told you.
That's crazy.
ever since I dropped it, I don't even feel like I need an alignment too much, but we do have to get in a line just in case. But you said what again for it? Like in the front?
Basically, these trucks, when you align them, they have shims. So even if you get a little camber, it's okay because you got a bolt about this big, and you're only using about this much of the camber. So let's say it's like, oh man, it does have camber. Well, all they do is just put these little metal shims that come in like a 1/16, an eighth of an inch, even a 1/4 inch. All they do is just slide them in there, and then that'll fix your camber.
All right, so you think you can roll the right there one day? Not today, because it feels like it's too freaking
The
hard.
fender?
Yeah.
We actually have a guy that does it for us.
Yeah?
Yeah, we don't do them here. He comes in here, he charges $60 per fender. He comes to you locally, like around here,
yeah.
not in Conroe. But he charges $60 a fender. His name is B Rose. I think I had put him in one of my videos before. Yeah, I did. And
no,
he does a real good job. Yeah, you see, like, you're going through all these dips and all that, and
like these roads are like, I hit this pothole in the freeway, nothing. Like it was like boom, and then nothing, nada.
Yeah, well, this tree right here, this is the one I always test drive these, you know, when we drop them to see if they need a notch or not. I always go through here, and I mean, dude, it hasn't bottomed out not one time. Here's one right here, you'll feel it right now, watch. I believe it, no, it's not this, I think it's further out. I see, like right there, it would have hit it already.
Yeah.
You know, and me being 250 pounds ain't helping it, and it's, you know, and it's not bottoming out. So at least, you know, you can roll around comfortably with two people.
Like, that was a big pothole right there, nada.
So, and I'm pretty sure they can see it on the camera too. You're driving and like, we're not like, you know?
Yeah.
There's some trucks out
there. When
there.
I had the bump stops, yeah, nothing. When I had the bump stops, like it was just like, I see, but right now it just feels comfortable. Like if you went to go get some food, and then you come back, you know, you don't feel like this, you won't throw up.
Yeah, you won't be seasick.
Yeah, it just feels good. I'm gonna take it to coffee and trucks tomorrow. Trucks and coffee.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I call it the ugly little shop in the back. You know, in the middle of the east side that like nobody knows about. But dude, we have a lot of people, and a lot of people trust us like this man right here.
Well, this is what a shop's supposed to look like when it's all like this, you know?
Right.
That's how you know there's work going on.
We have this guy right here, his name's Omero. Dude, he literally tells me, hey man, come pick up my truck. My keys are in there, whatever. Like, whenever I'm gonna go pick it up, I don't have to ask him, like, hey, I'm going to your house. Like, he already trusts me to, like, hey, my truck's there, go get it. It's in the garage.
You been here how long?
At this location, 3 years.
Damn.
Yeah. But before, we're in the north side for another 3 years. And then before that, George owned it since 2006. So I basically took over the name and everything else.
Well, at least you're like progressing, you know? You're doing something you love.
Yeah. I want the neighbor to give me the shop next door, but he's like, I'm not leaving anytime soon. Because eventually, I would like to have all that right there.
Yeah.
And then I'll all this knock all this down and build a nice little office right here. So,
hell yeah. Well,
nice little driveway.
for coffee and cars. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, but if whoever wins it, if you decide whoever wins it, if you decide to get the C notch, then I'll make it happen. You know, whoever wins the truck, if you want the C notch, I'll do it. But for now, it just feels comfortable.
Put it this way. Whoever wins the truck and you want a C notch, I won't let Omar pay for it. We'll just give it to you.
Oh hell yeah!
And we'll give him a lifetime warranty on it.
Appreciate it.
So it's just a C notch. It ain't nothing crazy, you know.
Nah, it's not.
Just
feels so good right now. So there you go, guys. So I'll tie it up for tomorrow because there's nothing going on today. So yeah, like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of Legacy, and we'll see you on tomorrow. Yeah. All right. Bye.